Alright, so this is a state machine project I've been working on towards the end of this summer. So it has 4 different states that it operates in. Just to start off, this is the clock signal that goes on and off. And these 3 lights are going to be the output, where the goal is so that the longer the input is pressed, the more of these lights will show up. And I've got a reset button over here that will bring it back to state 0. These lights over here just indicate which state it's in. So the first one shows state 0, then state 1, state 2, and state 3. So I'll do a little demonstration where this is the main input. So if you press this button, more of the output lights will show up. And then when you release it, they start to stop lighting up. So for how this sort of works, I've got an Arduino that controls the clock signal. That's all I'm using this for. It's just for the clock signal. And I've got this kind of in this maze here, this very top left in the 3 flip-flops, or in the 3 breadboards. That holds all the flip-flops. So it's got 8 different flip-flops in it. And right now I'm using 4 of them. So 1 through 4, which is just 4 different bits of information. And then the other 4 are unused. And then all of the other gates in the layout here, all of the other 7 gates are NAND gates. So each of the chips has 4 different NAND gates in it. And that's how I do the next state logic, and also the output logic. I drew out a full diagram, it's kind of fun to look at. So these are the 4 flip-flops for the 4 different states. It's a 1 hot state machine, so at any given time, only one of these are going to be high, and the rest are all going to be low. You can see that through this little, see these lights at the bottom, there's only going to be 1 that's on at a time. Also demonstrate the reset. So anytime you can press the reset and it brings you back to state 0, indicated by this light. Lastly, one other observation I made while debugging is that since I didn't flop the input, this is an asynchronous button. So if you happen to change it like right from the low to high transition, like right as the clock changes, then that causes some issues, and I'll try and see if I can time it right. It might be a little tricky. So I'll let go like right as I press, or right as the clock turns on. So I'll try that again. So still not got it yet. It's a little tricky. There, I think I got possibly an error. Yeah, so just next time if I were to do this, I might probably want to double flop the inputs so it's more consistent. As you can see, there are 2 lights on there at a time. Just as another observation. I think that's about it so far.